Your next car could be the 2017 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio, backup camera, iPod, MP3 input, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth, vehicle anti-theft system. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.